You crazy for this one,
man? Let me get a minute, let me get a minute. Wait, let me speak on how I'm feeling. First off, fuck the haters, the underestimators, the ones that was doubting the flow. Fucking they the first to go. Second off, I do this for my people. Remain greater than, I will never see it equal. They praying that I fall like Catholics at the cathedral, but still I rise even though the odds were close to zero. Lord knows this ain't even my prime. This the type of shit I jot down in my free time. This is just my leisure. I do this shit so easy, but this is just a teaser. Wait till you hear my EP. Then I dare you to second guess me. I put a nigga's career on ice like I'm Wayne Gretzky. Got me feeling like Reasonable Doubt and Illmatic even. I'm so Stefan compared to these fucking Stevens. They want me to fall, but fuck it, I ain't leaving. Too many people behind me, too many that believe in this talent that I'm running with, campaigning for change like I'm working for the government. But please pardon the cockiness, the dream team that I'm balling with, I swear nobody's stopping us. Jordan, Pippen, Malone, and Stockton, man, it's obvious. 2012 is ours, I know my grandparents are watching us. Lord knows. I mean, just some shit I gotta get off my chest, you know? Lord knows. To the day end. I got it. This my test of greatness, dedication to brilliance. With such resilience, my words can relate to millions. I'm just looking for someone that can feel me, but over my dead body, y'all niggas gon' have to kill me. Look, I was never the type for bragging stupid. I know I got it, I'm just acting Jewish. Don't get me wrong, whatever I say, I do it. I just figured y'all could relate more to realer music. But I guess the approach I took was fucked up, cause the ones that's out here lying be the ones that's on the come up, while real niggas like myself be recording till the sun's up, trying to get my funds up, and I bet you I'ma do it, Lord knows. My time is coming, I ain't worried about it. I bet you drop your jaw and all when you hear about it. Confused expressions of disbelief, cause my niggas making the hits and I'm just giving you me. Had one of the illest combos with my best friend. Compared to the shit you just wrote, it feels like you 10 steps ahead, and you know you got my vote. That's exactly what my friend said. Competition got no hope, it's AM till the day ends. This got that exactly what you've been missing, feeling that how can he get overlooked, you know it's so appealing. I'm taking over, nigga, the wait is over. Thank you for your patience, Rising 6 is on its way, and Lord knows. Lord knows. Yeah. Lord knows. Yo, boss. That's it.